Oh, hi, owner.
What is it, Simba Jr.?
You know, today I feel strange. Look, I got fingers and all my hair has disappeared.
Wait a minute, where are my hands? Why do I have paws? Looks like you and I switched bodies. What are you doing? People don't do that.
Owner, what don't people do?
Okay, it doesn't matter. Urgently need to find a way to get everything back. Simba Jr., what are you doing again?
Owner, do you know where my tail went?
I'll have to do everything myself again. Simba Jr., follow me.
Owner, what is it?
This portal appeared today, and perhaps because of it, we switched bodies. Just don't get too close, it could be dangerous.
Okay, I'm going to the portal.
No, Simba, stop. Simba Jr., I returned to my body. Simba Jr., where are you?
Owner, I'm here. Well, have I become a cat again?